it was just in our recent history together that we got into songs about women, and our folk music has been coming a little bit more into focus as the years go by, and we are aware of what's out there and how beautiful traditional stuff can be, but how meaningful new songs, just recently written songs, I want to say, can be very poignant. So,
and this was a song written by Linda Williams. They're from the couple Robin and Linda Williams.
Robin and Linda Williams are folk singer-songwriters from Virginia, and they were singing in a club down in Tennessee, and they befriended a waitress in this club, and her story was somewhat typical of that area, where she lived in a small mining town, and the mine closed up, and the town literally became a ghost town. People left, and she would have to take the train to the bigger city to work as a waitress, and then on the weekends she would go back home to her little hometown where she had left her children with her parents, and she would visit with them for the weekend, and then Sunday night she would go back to the city and work all week. And her 4-year-old son called the train the leavin' train, and that's where the story and the name of the song came from. Mama's coming home today, she ain't coming home to stay. There's no work in our town, everything's near about shut down. The company's come and gone, all the new folks moved on. Empty stores on empty streets, empty bed where Mama sleeps. But someday soon I'm gonna ride on that leaving train by Mama's side. There's a broken link in the family chain, and it's all because of the leaving train. When Friday comes, I go back down to the train depot. She's a running far behind, and Sunday haunts my mind. It's been a week since the train stopped here, 1 week since she held me near. Too soon that leaving train will carry her off again. Someday soon I'm gonna ride on that leaving train by Mama's side. There's a broken link in the family chain, and it's all because of the leaving train. Living without Mama hurts, now I don't know which is worse, her being gone away, or having just one day to feel her loving touch. But it's what I want so much. One day I will go, as Mama told me so. And someday soon I'm gonna ride on that leaving train by Mama's side. And there's a broken link in the family chain, and it's all because of the leaving train. Someday soon I'm gonna ride on that leaving train by my mama's side. There's a broken link in the family chain, and it's all because of the leaving train.